The Life Mastery Series, Step 6, is Restore Your Empowerment by Following Your Heart. Step 6 is about courage, heart alignment, joy, empowerment, and authentic expression. And it's paired with 639HC. It supports heart coherence, emotional harmony, authentic connection, compassion, self-love, inner truth, healthy relationships, and following the wisdom of the heart by living authentically. Step 6 is about reclaiming your empowerment by listening to your heart instead of fear, conditioning, obligation, or external expectations. Empowerment doesn't arrive all at once. It's rebuilt moment by moment, each time you choose honesty over performance, presence over fear, and authenticity over approval. Every time you honor what genuinely nourishes your soul, you strengthen your connection to your true self.